see you. So please switch on your camera so that I can see if you are doing it or not. Page number 44. Okay. All of you have got the page number, Anas? Page number 44 open?
Yes, ma'am. Opened.
Okay. So multiplication you have to do. This is just one digit multiplication. So just give me the answers for multiplication. 252 into 4. Write down niche. 4 5 0 carry 2. And then, okay, I'll show you.
Can you?
Okay, one question I'm showing.
Can you screen share?
Rest of the question you do it on your own. Okay. So I'm just sharing the screen. This we did last.
008. Answer is 1008.
Yes, first answer is correct. 1008. Okay, I'm just showing you those who have not understood multiplication yet. So I'm doing it again. See this: 252 into 4. How do you multiply? You have to multiply this with all the 3 digits. So what is 4 2s are? 4 into 2. What is 4 into 2? 8. What is 5 into 4 or 4 into 5? What is it? 5 4s are? 20. 20. 0. Carry will go in on the next digit. Then you will multiply 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 2 is how much?
It will come under 2 or 4.
Where? Here?
Yeah, it will come under 2 or 4.
Answer is 1512.
Right. Here you can write anywhere because this is the first line. Na? So 8001. So answer is 1008. You write under 2 only, but it is fine.
Ma'am, I want to ask you something. Ma'am, see, 4 2s are 8, then we will do 4 5s are na?
4 5s are 20. 0. Carry will go to the next digit. Then you will do 4 2s are 8. And 8 may you will add the carryover plus 2. And you will get 8 plus 2 is what? 10. So 10 is the answer. Aisha, is it clear now? How will you do the multiplication?
Yes, ma'am, but that is only the first line. No, we have to do
Ma'am,
more.
I got all the
Only one
answers.
digit. So you will do only first line.
Means for
Another 2.
ma'am, I got all the answer of 252.
Okay, now let me take 345 into 4.
1512.
345. Wait, who has done all? Yeah, you have completed.
Ma'am, I have done only for 252 multiplied by 4, 252 multiplied by 6, 252
No,
multiplied by 7.
I want 345 into 4. 345 into 4. Who has done this? Give me the answer. Anas,
Ma'am,
what is the answer?
1008, ma'am.
That is
32.
44, Mera, 44. Okay, 340. Yes, no. Oh, yeah, that one only. That one, Mera. 345. Correct, 1380. Anyone has got 345 into 4? Do it in the notebook.
Yes, ma'am, 1380.
Question number 2, all
I
of you.
also got 1380.
Yes, Umar, how much you got?
1380.
345 into 4. Rashta?
Ma'am, 345 into 4 is 1380 and
Yes.
345 into 6 is 2070.
Correct. Now, what is 597 into 4? 597 into 4. Rashta, multiply. 597 into 4. The third question.
Ma'am, the first one is 1512.
Which question? 252 into 6 is 151.
Ma'am, I got the answer. 2388.
No, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
238. 597 into 4 is 2388. Which question you are doing? Ask that question. I'll give you.
Ma'am, the second question.
Second, tell me the question. What is the question?
252 into 6.
How much you got?
1512.
Yes, correct, Aisha.
Ma'am, I did the purple box. Ma'am, I did the purple box. The 3 sums of 2 are
Okay, tell me 252 into 6.
5, ma'am, 5,
2 into 6 is equals to 1512.
Correct.
Five,
Rashna,
5, 9,
which answer you have?
5,
597. What is the
597 into
Huh?
6 is equals to
2388.
3582.
2388? Yes, 2388 is the correct answer. Next, do 252 into 6. Yes, who was answering?
3582. 3582.
Which was doing? 597 into 6 is
Six.
3582.
Ma'am, I did 345 multiplied by 4 is equals to 1780.
345 into 4 you have done.
Yeah,
What's the answer you got?
1786.
345 into 4, you're doing wrong. Check it again.
See, ma'am,
Check, Ibrahim. 3, do it 345 into 4. Do it again.
Ma'am,
780.
Ma'am,
1700.
252 into 7 is 1764.
Correct, Aisha. 1700.
There is 1700.
345 multiplied by 6 equals to 2070.
Ma'am,
Correct.
answer of the 345 multiplied by 4 is equals to 1780. I by mistakenly counted
Again, 700 is not there, Ibrahim. 1300. Check. If you have done one mistake, also do it again because the next step is also wrong then. Okay? Hamdan, which answer you have found?
I'm 597 into 4.
How much is that?
2388.
88. Yes, correct. Others also find. Hamza, you are not visible, Hamza.
Ma'am, 345 multiplied by 7 equals to 2415.
Correct. Correct, yeah. Hamza, which
380.
you have done?
345 multiplied by 4 is equals to 1380.
Repeat your question. 345 multiplied by?
4 is equals to 1380.
Yes. You are writing the 1700. So 7 was the mistake.
Ma'am, 345 into 4 is 1380.
Yes, Aisha, correct. Abdullah, did you complete all the columns?
No, ma'am, I can't see anything. My network was gone, that's why.
Your voice is also breaking. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Mohammed Saqib.
I can hear you. Your voice
Mohammed
is
Saqib, what
breaking.
question you can hear, no? That is fine. Chalo. Okay, Mohammed Saqib, this question 597 into 7. Yes, who is asking? Someone was asking. Area, how many you did?
Ma'am, I'm on the second line.
Yeah, do it and get it checked. The answers get it checked. Huh? Muhammad Mohammadi, I have not received any answer from you. How many you did?
Ma'am,
I got the answer for 345 multiplied by 6.
Great. Continue.
ma'am, it is
Ma'am,
2070.
which question?
2070. Ma'am,
Ma'am,
345 into 6.
Yes, correct.
Ma'am, 597 multiplied by 6 equals to 3582.
597 into 6.
6 equals to 3582.
Yes, correct, Yahya. Muhammad Saqib, did you 97 into 6? Aisha Kazi completed?
Ma'am, 4179.
597 into 6. Answer is wrong. 597 multiplied by 6. See, what is that? Oh, you did into 7. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am. You told me into
Okay,
7.
okay, that is correct. 4179 is correct. Into 6 also you do.
345 multiplied by 7 is equals to 2415.
Yes, correct. Completed this multiplication.
Can I go on the next box?
Yes. Complete all the boxes. All the boxes you have to complete.
Wait, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am, 345 into 7 is 2,415.
Correct. 3,415. Correct. Right. Yes, Rashda. Which question we
Ma'am,
have done?
fine. Ma'am, I am telling you, here is one.
Yeah,
Ma'am,
yes,
can
yes.
I go in the
597
next box?
597 multiplied 79.
Correct. Right. Yeah, go to the next box. Humaira,
Done all.
how many questions?
Ma'am, done of the
Can you-
8.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, 597 multiplied by equals to 2.
Wrong. 597 into 7. What answer you are giving, Ibrahim?
597 multiplied by 4 is equals to 1388.
That is done, huh? Correct. Yeah, Rashda.
Ma'am,
Question
so
you are
what we
doing?
have to do?
ma'am, I did every
You have
problem.
done.
Done. Question number 1. Rashda.
I have done question number 1A.
Ma'am,
you did,
ma'am, 597 into 4 is 2,418.
Ma'am, 597.
Yeah, Rashda.
597 into 6 is 3582.
3583. Ma'am,
Ma'am,
82.
Ma'am, 597 into 4
I cannot
is
hear you. Everybody is speaking at the same time. Please be quiet. Yeah, Rashda,
can
tell
I
me.
say first?
345 into 7 equals 2415.
Correct. 2415. Yeah. Yes,
Ma'am.
Aisha. Tell me.
Can I say?
Ma'am,
Can I
597 into 4 is equal to 2,418.
Ma'am,
596 into 4 is wrong, Aisha. Please just tell me.
6582.
Correct.
And into 7 is 4159.
Can I say?
79.
4179.
4179.
Can I say?
And into 4 is 238.
I want to say also.
Yes. Ibrahim, which answer you giving?
Ma'am, I want to also say. 97 multiplied by 6 is equals to 3583.
Correct. Okay, so have we completed the
Can
first
you check
question?
my...
I want to ask you something. 7 sevens are
No,
what is
ma'am,
7
wait a minute.
You need to speak the answer because I cannot see this window. Okay?
What is
Area.
my
Yes, those questions you have completed, just tell me the answer.
I did all.
Wait for 2 minutes, everyone. Juveria is giving the answers. Take your answers with her.
Ma'am, what is the answer of 7 multiplied by 7? 7
Wait, Ibrahim.
multiplied by 7.
Ma'am, I am all done.
Ibrahim, have patience. Yeah, Juveria.
252 into 4 is 1058.
1008. Juveria, correct it. 1008. Everyone, just check your answers. I'm giving the answers now. 252 into 4 is 1008. Okay. Next one, Juveria.
Ma'am, 597 into 4 is 268.
38. Check it again. The carry you are adding or not? Check that again. Check it again. That is 268. Juveria.
5 into 4
Yes.
is 1380.
Correct.
597 into 4 is 388. 252 into 6 is 1512.
Yes.
345 into 6 is 2070.
Yes.
7 into 6 is 3582.
Correct.
252 into 7 is 1764.
Yes.
345 into 7 is 2415.
Yes.
And 597 into 7 is 4179.
Yes. Excellent, Juveria. So all of you have checked your answers.
Ma'am, can I say now? Can I say?
All
please?
the answers Juveria has given. You didn't check with her. So again,
Ma'am, I have also done all.
all are correct, Aisha. Yeah, great. So we'll be yeah, so doing the next question now. Add the products of, you know what is product? Product means multiplication. Okay. So add the products of, those who don't have the book, just write down the question. Product of, find out product of Batul and
Can
Mohammed.
I say please?
First do the
I
question.
want to-
Product of 234 and 4. Find out product of 234 and 4 and 579 and 4. So you have to find two products and then the answer, both the answers you have to add. You have to find the sum of the two products. Okay. So first, yes, Hamza.
Please can you repeat the question?
Ma'am, I did not understand what you tell.
Okay.
Ma'am, please can you
Can you tell it again?
I'm reading the question. Add the products of 234 into 4 and 345 into 4. Okay. So what you have to do, you have to do two multiplications. First step is multiply 234 and 4. Multiply everyone and give me the answer. 234 into 4. What is the answer? 98, 93. Someone else give me the answer. What is 234 into 4, Hamza? Yes, 936. And then find the product of 3, 4, 5 and 4. Means 345 into 4. Aisha, give me the product 345 and 4.
Ma'am, we have to show.
1380.
Ma'am,
Yes, 1380. Now you add both the products. So now add 1380 and 936. What is the answer?
I did not understand. Can
2310. Ma'am,
you
2310. 2310, ma'am. Is it
I did
correct?
all the box.
Check your answer again.
Ma'am, it is 2310.
No. Addition you're doing wrongly. 936 plus 1380. What is the answer? Yeah.
In the note.
234 and 529 and 4. The two answers then. So, Abdullah,
Ma'am,
please make.
ma'am, the sum is 2316, na?
Yes, the sum is 2316.
Ma'am,
I'm not able to understand.
ma'am, the addition is 2316.
Yes, addition is 2316.
Can you?
Ma'am, the answer is 3253.
Which answer?
Ma'am, this one 937
everyone mute yourself.
937 plus 2316.
No, do it. Abdullah is the host.
Ma'am, the answer to 597 into 6 is 3582.
Aisha. Okay, so after doing this question, mark question number 2 as your homework. Question number 2 is your homework. Okay, everyone mark
I don't have.
question number 2. You need a picture here because you will not be able to do.
Ma'am, post it on Google
okay.
Classroom.
It is, yes.
How to do this?
Yeah. What is the question? Did you read the question? Choose a number from each shape to multiply together. So one number from square and one number from circle. So suppose I take 28 from circle and 52 from 28 from square and 52 from the circle. Okay, multiply both. 28 into 52. What will be the answer? Okay, I'm doing it here. I'm
Ma'am,
sharing.
only question number 2.
Yes, only question number 2 is there, na?
Ma'am,
Question
you will
number
put
two,
it in Google Classroom.
Okay, I'll put it in Google Classroom also. If I forget, still you remember it. You have to do question number 2. Okay, I'll put it in Google Classroom also. Okay, so you just first example I'm giving you 28
Ma'am, I have done that.
52. Can you do that? 28 into 52. What is the answer? 28 into 52.
1456.
Or should I show you in the on the slide? Why all the windows are vacant? Yahya, where is he gone? Ibrahim is also not there. Muhammad Muhammadi not at the seat.
Ma'am, the answer
Can you
to
make me the host?
597 into 7 is 4179.
Abdullah, you're back. Just
Yes,
make me
ma'am.
the host. Just make me the host. You are the host, huh?
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes, Aisha.
the answer to 597 into 7 is 4179.
Yes, correct, Aisha. Now complete rest of the questions at home. Okay, those who have not done.
Ma'am, what, ma'am? Acha, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, can you listen me?
You
Yes,
the
yeah,
host.
yeah.
Ma'am, I made you the host.
Ma'am, I have
Thank you,
got the
Abdul.
answer of B.
What is the answer of what?
Ma'am, I have got the answer of B.
B. Okay, no, that is your homework.
Because ma'am, can you listen me?
Yes, yes. Tell me, Aya.
Yes, ma'am. I have got the answer of B and products and this pura, and then means they are asking that why is the same as the
Yes.
product
Yeah, this.
because
Yes,
ma'am
yes. Why?
because ma'am 234 ma'am. So
Right,
there
ma'am.
is so much.
Yeah, so many are there. 6.
There is
You
so
do
much
at
combination.
least 6 multiplication. You do fine. 6 multiplication you do.
Okay.
Ma'am, all
only
are 6 multiplications only.
No, you can multiply so many. You have 28 into 52, 28 into 48, 28 into 73. So many.
Ma'am, we have
will be there.
total 12.
Yeah. You
Ma'am,
can have
means
36.
we can do 12.
From 12, we have to do 6 at least.
Out of any 6 you will do. Yeah, Ibrahim, what is your question?
Ma'am, I did not understand the B one.
B. Yeah, I'm explaining. Question 1B, na? Question 1B, anybody has understood? Yahya gave me the answer. That was correct answer. So I'll explain question number 1B on the slide.
Ma'am,
Yeah. Question number
I
1B, I'm
have
going to.
done for the 1B.
1B we have not done. Na? Grace pen. Yes. See, what is question number 1B? You have done the multiplication part, but the next part is, why is the answer same as the product of 579 into 4? Just find out 579 into 4. You will be getting same answer 2316. Okay. So they have asked why it is like this. See, I did. You did 2, 3, 4. Just prompt me with the answer. You have already done 234 into 4. What is 234 into 4? All of you have got this answer now? How much you got?
936.
316.
No, this was 936. And then what was the other one? 345.
1380. 1380. 1380.
1380. Okay. Now, if I add this thing, if you add it, what did you get?
2316.
2316. And this is actually how much? If you add this to, how much is it? 579 into 4. So if you add 4
Ma'am,
plus,
ma'am, which page number?
yeah,
Which page number?
same page number, question
44.
44.
2316. 44.
What
Okay,
is the page number, ma'am? I don't know because I could not.
44.
44. Thank you.
Same question we are doing. Question number 1 ka B part. Okay. So this was, if you see, what did you get after adding 2316? They have asked why 579 into 4 is 2316. Because if you add 234 and 345, you will get 579. See, how do we write it in maths? This is called as distributive property. I will write it 234 into 4 plus 345 into 4. Okay. Now both the terms have 4. So I will take out 4 outside. 4 I will multiply to both the terms, and inside the bracket I will write 234 plus 3.
Ma'am, can you explain again?
Explaining only. First listen to me. If you don't listen completely, how will you understand, Ibrahim? First, let me complete it, and then you ask again. Now this is, these are two. This we did like this here. We did this only. We multiplied 234 into 4. We got 936. So I wrote 234 into 4. Then multiplied 345 into 4. You got 1380. I multiplied over here. Then we added it. So I put a plus sign over here. Do you know in simplification, multiplication is done first and then addition. Okay. So we did the same thing over here. Now, sometimes in simplification, since I have 4 multiplied to both the terms, I will take out 4 outside and I will add the other terms. So after adding these terms, I'm getting what I'm getting 579. So this is another way to do 579 into 4. Again, I will get this.
It came 2316.
So you got the same answer now, Aisha. So that is the method, that if you are multiplying with the same number, I can take this outside common and just add these two numbers. You got 579 into 4 is also 2316. And if you separately multiply and add is also 2316. Is it clear? So that is the question they have asked. Do the other calculation work in the same way? You have to say yes. For example, if I'm taking a small question, okay, leave this question. This is the answer that you will do for question number 1B. Is it clear now, Ibrahim?
Ma'am, after the 234 multiplied by 4 is equals to 936 and 340 multiplied by 4 is equals to 1380. And now we have to add 936
yes,
plus 380.
Yeah.
So you want that 57 multiplied by 4.
4 is also 2316. But how do we get 579? You just add, removing the 4, add these two only. And then later you multiply with 4, you will get the same answer. Okay. Let me give you one small question. You will understand this then. Let me explain it in the form of small question. Suppose one question is 2 into 4. Do 2 into 4. What is 2 into 4?
8.
8. Okay. Then 6 into 4.
24.
What is 24 and 8? Add.
32. 32.
This is 32. Now, if I do this, another method to find 32 is 4 is common. So just add 6 plus 2. What is 6 plus 2?
2 is 8.
8. 32.
32. You got the same answer? So what
Yes.
you This is called as distributive property. In distributive property, instead of multiplying 2 times, I will multiply 1 time and we will add the next.
What did you do with 8, ma'am? You took 8, so what did you do?
So 8 into 4. This is actually multiplication sign. You know, nothing is written. That means it is a multiplication sign. So what I did, either you do separately and add, or in the short form, I will add 6 plus 2. So 2 times I will not multiply. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 into 4 is 32. Or you can do 4 2s are 8, 6 4s are 24, and then add 3 steps. And here you have 2 steps. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes.
Okay. So let us move to the now question number 2 is your homework. Do it in homework, and then moving to division. Okay. So let me stop.
Ma'am, which is the homework, ma'am? Can you tell?
Page
And
number
please can you send the picture on the
Only
Google
2 or
Classroom?
2A and B?
2A and B both. Question number 2 whole question 2.
Achha, ma'am, but I did not understand how many different calculations can you make with the product less. I did not understand.
That is greater than 2000. Okay. Now,
No, ma'am, I
this-
did not understand A and B. Can you explain it?
okay. Let me explain. See, number of calculations are many, but they have asked you with a product that is less than 1000. So that means your first digit should be, means the extreme right digit should be 1, right? It should not be more than 1000. So if you multiply 28 and 52, what was your answer? What did you get? Somebody multiply 28 and 52. I think who had multiplied? Muhammad Saqib. What was your answer? 28 into 52.
456.
Yeah, Rashda, what was the answer?
1456.
1456. So this, they have told that your multiplication should be less than 1000. So that means you cannot, now everyone be quiet, then only you will understand. That means you cannot take 28 and 52. So you have to take those pairs whose product is less than 1000. So how will you select, Yahya? You will take the smallest one, like 12 and 16. Just multiply 12 and 16. How much you are getting? 12 and 32. 12 and 53. These things will give you answer less than 1000. How? Because 12 into 16, the last digit will be, see how much you are getting. 12 into 16. Give me the answer. 12 into 16. How much answer you are getting?
32.
No.
No, sir. 38, sorry.
38. Check it again. 12 6 are. Carry 7.
192, 192, 192, 192, 192, 192, 192.
Less than 1000. Yeah. 192 is less than 1000. Correct?
Yes.
So this combination you will take. So you take those combination where product is less than 1000. So like 12 and 16, you will take 12 and 32. This will also give you less than 1000. Okay. So smaller numbers if you take, you will get, why? Because 12 3
So ma'am, we can take 12 into 5, 12 into 6 also, ma'am.
but it is not given in the question, na? In the question, the numbers are given, Abdullah.
I mean, what about,
You have to take those combinations only.
ma'am, and what about B? Make greater than 2000.
2000. So whichever you have, the multiplication last part is like 52 into 46. How do I come to know that you will get greater? Just multiply 52 into 46. What is the answer? 52 into 46.
2 6 are.
Ma'am, I'm done.
What is the answer, Ashta?
52 into 46. 2392. Ma'am, 2392.
Just a minute. Let me check. 52 into. Yes, correct answer. 2392. So you are getting greater than. Let me do it. Do you want me to do it stepwise? Those who have still not understood, let me do it stepwise so that. Now question is 52 into 46. Okay, Ibrahim, just pay attention how to do two-digit multiplication. 6 2s are 12, 2 carry 1. 6 5s are 30, carry 1 added, 31. 2 ke niche you will write a 0. 4 2s are 8 and 5 4s are 20. So like this you will write. Addition 2 9
9 3 2.
2392 is the answer.
2392.
Now just see that you are getting number product which is greater than 2000. Now how will you find out whether the number is greater than or less than 2000 or 1000? You will have to check the first numbers. See, 5 into 4. What is 5 into 4?
20.
20. So you will know that you will get a number greater than 2000 here. Is it clear? So just
Yes.
try the first two digits, the extreme left first two digit, and see whether you are getting greater than 1000 or less than greater than 2000. Is it clear, Yaya, how to find out this? For example,
Yes, ma'am.
4 and 2.
Ma'am, we only have to give one, like one calculation that can make less than 1000.
How many they have
Ma'am,
asked?
so I can,
The maximum number you can find out. How many you can find?
ma'am, so I can
Okay.
make three of greater than 2000 and 3 of less than 1000.
Greater than 2000 and 3 less than 1000. Make it this number. Okay? 3 less than
Okay.
1000 and 3 greater than 2000. So for each you find out three combinations. Fine? Understood this question?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Coming to the next page, division.
And
Page number
I have done. A1 is 0, B1 is 0, C1 is 1,
Which question you have done?
second one 45 page number, and first one.
First one you have done?
A is 0, B is 0, C is 1, D is 0, E is 1, and F is 2.
Yeah, look at each calculation and decide. Yes, correct, Anas. And decide if there will be a remainder. So you have to say whether the remainder will be there or not. Means
Ma'am,
remainder
the
is
practice
0.
one, no?
Yes, practice one. Look at each calculation and decide if there will be a remainder. So I'm giving you this also as homework because this is very simple question. You know how to find out? Let me explain it once again so that you do it easily in homework. Question is 164. You know these are simple division. You can do it easily. So 4. Whether remainder is there or not. So 4
41. 41.
4 4s are
41.
16. 4 will come down over here and 4 1s are 4.
Ma'am, you send a pic of the sums on Google Classroom and we will write them.
Okay, but you have a textbook, na? I'll put the picture also, but still in the textbook also you mark. So you will say that first part A, no remainder. Okay, they have asked whether there will be remainder or not. So no remainder because 0 remainder you are getting. Okay.
Ma'am, see, A1 is 0, B1 is 0,
Correct?
C1 is 1, D1 is 0, E1 is 1, and F1 is 1.
One you are getting.
If page number 45 the practice.
Ma'am, last one is, ma'am, what's the last one?
Last one is
Two.
2. I'll
Last
check it
one is
again.
two.
See, 338 divided by 3. How much is the? How much is this?
45 the practice sums.
Practice sums. 3 1s are 3 1s are 3. Then 3
Don't show
comes
the
down.
answers.
You will do. Everyone will do on your own.
Yes.
Okay, very good.
only post this on Google
Ma'am,
Classroom.
I want to ask you something. Ma'am, we have to only write the remainder, na?
First question, you only have to write the remainder. Okay. So do it, but without solving it, you cannot write the remainder. Okay, you cannot write the remainder directly.
Ma'am,
So just
but
solve
I write it.
Yeah.
Without solving.
Okay, yeah, Rashta, what was your question?
Will you post this on Google Classrooms?
I'll post it on Google Classroom also. Okay. So question number
Ma'am,
one.
the practice one, no?
Yes, practice 1, 1, 2, and 3 also try to find out. If you are not able to solve any question, just write it in the Google Classroom chat only that you are not able to. Personal thing is there na, where you hand in. There you write, I'm not able to do this question. Okay, so that I will discuss it in the class. Fine. So if you are
Yes,
able to
ma'am.
solve it, if you're not able to solve, please write it that I have not understood this question. I'll explain it in the class. Fine. So I'll be putting these questions, page number 44 and 45 on Google Classroom for your homework. Okay. Saturday is a holiday. Next class will be on again on Thursday. So just practice these questions. Fine, everyone?
Yes.
Yes. Yes, Aisha. What were you asking?
Why Saturday is holidays?
Saturday is Ganesh.
Saturday is holiday.
Why?
Okay, fine then.
Yay.
I'll be sending you